I want to welcome you to this video and acknowledge you because the fact that you're watching this tells me that you either are curious about how our community is benefiting from an amazing project, or you're just looking to level up certain areas of your life. So for that, I want to show you a platform that's helping thousands of people do just that. And I want you to know and get to see and watch the inside of JIFU, which is an ultimate lifestyle membership that allows us to build an abundant life and lifestyle. When we talk about abundance and when we talk about building a better life, we have to talk about wealth. And I don't talk about wealth in the sense of only making money, but an overall increase on your lifestyle when it comes to getting knowledge, applying that knowledge, and getting access to the benefits of AI, trading, e-commerce, finances, and a bunch of tools that are there at our disposal so we can apply them. Now, there's a couple of things that I want to emphasize that are really, really beneficial, and we get to access them over here in JIFU. And the first one is the market of foreign exchange, also known as Forex, where we get the opportunity to have and receive education from professionals, real life mentorship with real professional, real traders who are there to guide us along the way for us to be able to receive education, to receive information, and to apply that into the markets. Also, utilizing the artificial intelligence, the scanners that are always looking for trade ideas and investment ideas and opportunities in the markets. I'm going to show you a little bit about that in a little bit. But I also want to touch on something really important, which is the future of our currency, all right? Digital finance, cryptocurrency, having the opportunity to receive also mentorship from professionals in this area, understanding the blockchain, how we can benefit from it, how we can monetize different areas, how we can create portfolios, how we can manage this in a safe way, right? How not to get exposed out there to scams and to things that are not safe, but understanding what it is that we can do with this. And for that, I want to show you the inside of JIFU because here are some PowerPoint slides, and that's cool. But I want you to see how it looks like when you are a member. As you can see here on my screen, welcome, Ricardo. This is my platform. When you sign up, this is what you get. This is what you see on the inside. Obviously, JIFU focuses on empowering your knowledge, finances, and lifestyle. And we have this that you can see over here, which is the main interface of our platform. You have access to foreign exchange, cryptocurrency, AI, social media, mindsets, e-commerce, and so on. Now, if I get into Forex, I am going to see something that I really like, okay? Which is anybody can start from basic to intermediate to advanced and get the little bit of knowledge that you need in order to start getting some more understanding of these markets and how to make the most of them. Now, the point that I want to show you is the following. When I go to live learning, and this is probably my favorite tool of the whole website and the whole platform, is that you have access to real life professionals, traders, educators, people who are analyzing markets real time, real life, 24/7. There's always going to be somebody who's analyzing these live sessions, sharing screen with you and I, and people who connect and utilize the service, which is amazing, right? You have on the left hand side of your screen, you have professionals who are going live at the times and days that you see in the middle. You have all the availability that you want in order to get connected and plugged in. So you have the opportunity to do this in the morning, nighttime, midnight, midday, whenever you feel like you fits your schedule better. Okay, so what happens here is that these professionals are analyzing markets live, real time, and sharing trade ideas with us as they're educating us. Right, really important. This happens in all types of markets. This happens in trading, it happens in cryptocurrency, it happens in all the areas that I just showed you. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the slides because there's something that I want to show you that is really important. Okay, we talked about foreign exchange, cryptocurrency, and I show you a few different sources of income that you can explore yourself as well. Now, there's something that was just released and it's really powerful. It's called JIFU 360 app, and it's where everything is integrated, where we have access to all of these academies, all that community and the benefits, have access to the AI scanners, uh, all about the charts and everything that comes along with having the communication with professionals, the interaction, and the opportunity to not miss out on anything when it comes to having opportunities to go in the markets and monetize and also get educated at the same time. One of my favorite things is that, say you're not connected to a live session because you're working, you're traveling, you're doing whatever it is that you are doing in your current day. When educators share ideas, when they share opportunities, when they share information, education, you're gonna receive it through your app. So say I am working out or I'm traveling or I'm not connected to a live session, I'm still gonna receive information on my cell phone that is gonna tell me what the educator or the trader or the investor seeing in the market so that I can also take advantage of it without needing to stop doing whatever it is that I am doing on my daily basis. I love this feature. It's awesome because it gives you access to everything integrated in one place that it is your cell phone through these uh, features on this app, right? Okay, now when it comes to JIFU and when it comes to becoming a member, it's really, really simple. We get to enroll over here for $299 as a one-time payment that gives you access to everything that you're seeing, everything that I showed you, and much more. Okay, this is a one-time thing. Now, after your first month in JIFU, you have a monthly fee, which is the only thing that costs to maintain your membership is 185. That's $6 per day. Okay, 185 a month, 30 days, $6 a day. All right, $6 a day, 24/7 education, community, trading, different sources of income, a lot of things that you can benefit from, and you have them all here. Now, what if I tell you can get this for free? Would you like that? If you're like me, you would probably like that. So I'm going to show you an incentive that JIFU gives you that is called For No More, where JIFU tells you that you can earn more and pay less. What is the benefit? How does it work? Well, if two people come over here, four, should I say, four people sign up to JIFU through you and through your link, then JIFU tells you you earn a scholarship. Your membership and your monthly fee is waived, and you have access to everything for free. You're helping other people have access to what you already have access to building their own business, to have access to building their own sources of income, to get educated and to be part of an amazing community that you're also being part of and creating. And now your monthly fee is completely waived. And as long as you have four active members in the academy, in the platform, in JIFU, then you will have free access to your education and your journey over here. So awesome stuff. I love this. It's helped hundreds and thousands of people and is the beginning of you grabbing on to this benefit. And if you want to participate in the JIFU pay path, which is an amazing compensation plan that I'm going to share with you, that you can take advantage of and monetize upon building a portfolio of clients for JIFU. So you have that option as well. This is completely additional to whatever it is that you're going to be doing with your investments, your sources of income, your knowledge, your education, your different education you're going to receive in the areas that you select. Okay. But what you're seeing here is how you can create a powerful source of income that you can potentially develop along the way. All right. So for this, as you can see on your right hand side, you have a certain amount of money you can make depending on the rank that you achieve based on the amount of customers, as you can see in the middle of the screen. So say, let's grab, for example, the gold executive rank, all right, that pays $1,000 a month. What do we need for that? You need to have a base of 30 customers who are member of JIFU. Okay, it doesn't matter if you brought them, it doesn't matter if they came with somebody who came with you or they came through them. Right? The idea in here is organizational growth. So JIFU, instead of paying advertisement, instead of going out there and spending money on TV, radio, internet, and so on, they invest their money in their users for the use of word of mouth and building organizations just like that and attracting customers through their happy users and customers that are already benefiting for the products, the services, and everything that JIFU offers. So you can build uh, your ranks and achieve the amounts that you can see on the right hand side of your computer, uh, on your screen, or wherever you're watching this from. Go up to really substantial levels of income that they don't stop in $25,000. They go all the way higher than that. But this is the steady bonus that JIFU gives you if you decide to build a business. So you have something that is a great service that help people get educated, monetize, and get financially literate into different markets. And you also have the opportunity to turn that into your own business and achieve these ranks and get compensated for building portfolios of clients for the platform that's already bringing you a benefit. Okay. And that creates community. So it's really, really powerful when you see all of these benefits. And that's JIFU, guys. For team building and to develop the compensation plan and to go through the ranks, we do have a leadership training where we can develop the skills necessary to uh, public speaking, team building, decision making, strategy, influence, great habits, improve your performance, behave and act in a way that is going to inspire others as well to become better, have an abundant life, and live and increase the lifestyle that they currently have. Because just like you're looking for better, I was looking for better when I got started. There's a lot of people who need this, and developing your leadership is going to be key for you to help them out, but also for you to go up in the ranks and make more out of it. All right. So it's a matter of just taking the action. The one is join JIFU. You have the opportunity to start right now. This video probably you received either from me or somebody who works with me, who works in my organization, wants you to check out this information. Now you know. If you didn't know before, it's okay that you can make money in the internet, that you can have a better lifestyle, you can learn all the skills. But now it's on you. It's in your hands to make the decision. I want to be part of it or not. Either one, it's okay. But a yes or a no, it's always a good decision based on what you really feel like and what you really want to do. So this is JIFU. It's been my pleasure. My name is Ricardo Lucien, and I hope I get to see you very, very soon in our team chats so that we can start working together and start making this opportunity pay off for you and to have a successful and abundant lifestyle. See you. Let's go.